Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to do a time stretch without time stretching. And it's going to sound something like this. Okay, so how I did that with that time stretch with that vocal was quite straightforward. I literally went to, let me just get a blank page. So I'll get a vocal like this. And it will sound something like that, yeah? Literally just pop that there like that. So I literally just do that, and then on the side here you can see that there's two channels. You've got the note channel and the effects channel. Now I've got this menu open previously. It was actually closed down. To open it up, you just literally click on this little button here. This menu opens up, and then you turn on this little tab here, and you'll see that it says here you've got all the effects here. Right now I won't go into too much about what these are about, yeah, but you basically want to first of all left click here, sample commands, and you want sample start offset, sample trigger offset. So you click on there, and that will give you the sample trigger offset from the start. And then do the same down here as well. Click on your little tab. Lots of little bits and pieces down in here. I'd highly recommend you experiment with this little tab and see what else you can figure out from here. But we're just going to talk about this sample offset for now. So trigger sample offset there. So then you see it starts at 0, ends at 0. And you want that to end at 99. And it does go into probably higher amounts, but I believe 99 is the end of the sample. Start of the sample is 0. End of the sample is 99. And then I just highlight here. Probably not necessary. And let's hit that EXP button, bosh. And what that does is it kind of generates a code matrix that allows you to scroll through the sound, right? Which sounds like this. You're going to hear that now. So obviously it's not triggering the whole sample, so you need to keep putting in the sample. So you just want to trigger that in all the way through now. Right, so now it's going to re-trigger, but each time at a different start point. So what you get is something like this. Here we go. There you have it, folks. That's how you do a cool time stretch inside Renoise. Hope you like it. If you found this video useful, please like, share, subscribe. That's it for today's video. Take care. God bless. Peace.